Now we learn divisibility rule by 7. How we can understand whether the given number is divisible by 7 or not. By studying this rule, we can understand that whether the given number is divisible by 7 or not. What this rule says, it says in a given number, take out the last digit. In a given number, if this is a number, we should take out this last number, and in a given number, take out the last digit and double it. We should double it. We have taken this one out and we have doubled it. 4 into 2 means 8. From 504 we have taken 4 out and double it. It becomes 8. See here. Next it says, then subtract it from the number formed by the remaining digits. If we take out this, if we take out from 504, 4 out. If we take out 4 from 504, so the digits remaining digits are 5 and 0. It is number formed by remaining digits is 50. So this what we have doubled now. What we have taken this 4 and doubled it, we have to subtract this one from this number formed by the remaining 2 digits. If we get here a number which is divisible by 7, then the number is, whole number 504 is also divisible by 4. See here, 42 we have got. After subtracting this one, we have got 42. 42 is divisible by 7. 7 6 are 42. So, according to this rule, 504 is completely divisible by 7. Without doing any division, by doing only this much, this process, we can understand that the given number is divisible by 7. Now we move, see here once again we'll, in a given number take out the last digit, in a given number take out the last digit and double it, then subtract it from the number formed by the remaining digits, If the result obtained is either 0 or a number divisible by 7, then this whole number 413 is also divisible by 7. See here, in 413 we have taken out 3 and doubled it. 413 we have taken out this 3 and doubled it. 3 into 2, double means 2 times. We have to multiply it by 2. Then it becomes double. So 3 into 2 is 6, and the number, the digits remains no. After taking this 3, in this number 4 and 1 are remaining, and this number formed by 4 and 1 is 41. We will subtract this double number, unit digit we have doubled, no, that one we have to subtract from 41. If we get number divisible by 35, then this 35 is divisible by 7. So this 413 is also divisible by 7. Now we'll apply this rule for this number. Now we'll write 49021. The number last digit in this number is 1. So now we'll take out this one. The number remains after taking 1 out from this number is 4902. We'll double it. It becomes 2. We'll subtract it from this number 0094. Now we'll divide this one, whether it is divisible by 7 or not. We'll check. 4900. In 7 table 4 is not there, less than 4 also not there, write 0 and take next digit. 49, 7 7s are 49, subtract 0, take next digit. In 7 table 0 is not there, less than 0 also not there, write 1 0, take down next digit. In 7 table 0 is not there, less than 0 also not there, write 1 0 and take next digit is not there. So this is the remainder, this is the quotient. So by seeing remainder we can conclude that the this one the 49021 is also divisible by 7. Now we'll check whether this number is divisible by 7 or not. 49021. We will divide this one by 7. 0, 7 sevens are 49. 0, in 7 table 0 is not there, write 0 and take next digit down. In 7 table 2 is not there, less than 2 also not there, write 1 0, take next one down and it becomes 21. 7 3 is a 21. So this 49021, this number is completely divisible by 7. Now we'll check divisibility by 8. In any number, if last 3 digits are zeros or the number followed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8, then the whole number is divisible by 8. Now we'll check. In this number, last 3 digits are not 0. Then we will check for this one. If number formed by last 3 digits is divisible by 8 or not, we will check. Number formed by last 3 digits is 432. Now we will divide it by 8. 8 6 are 8 6 are 48, 8 5 are 43, take it down, 8 4 are 32, so this 432 is divisible by 8, so this 96432 is also divisible by, this rule says if number formed by last 3 digits is divisible by 8, then the whole number is also divisible by 8. Now we will check for this divisibility by 8, whether it is divisible by 8 or not. 9, 6, 4, 3, 2 by 8. 8 ones are 8. Now it becomes 16. 8 twos are 16. Becomes 4. In 8 table 4 is not there and less than 4 also not there. Write 1 0, take next one down, becomes 43. 8 5 are 32. 8 5 are 40. 8 4 are 32. 8 5 are 40. So 8 5 are 40. We'll take and subtract. Take next one down. 8 4s are 32. So 96,432 is completely divisible by 8. Instead of dividing this whole number by dividing only these last 3 digits, we can understand that whether the given number is divisible by 8 or not. See here, the number formed by last 3 digits is 432, so it is divisible by 8. As we got remainder as 0, so we have checked this result by dividing this whole number by 8, so it is divisible. So this rule stands true for this number last 3 what we have taken 432. Now we will check this number 1000. If last 3 digits are 0, it says the whole number is divisible by 8. Now we will check whether 1000 is divisible by 8 or not. In 8 table 1 is not there, write 0, take it. 8 ones are 8, 2, 0, take this one. 8 twos are 16, 4, 0, take this. 8 5s are 40, so 0. So if any number it ends with three zeros or last three digits are zeros, that means unit 10, 100, the digits in the place of unit 10, 100 are zeros, then the whole number is divisible by 8, irrespective of the digits other than these three digits. If any digit is present in these other places other than these three digits, so the number is divisible by 8. Now we'll check for this one. 9512. We'll write number followed by last three digits is 9512. Last three digit is 512. We'll divide this one by 8. Either it is divisible by 8 or not. We'll check. 0. 8 6 48. Now we'll subtract. It becomes 3 and 0. 8 4 32. So if last three digits are divisible by 8, then the whole number 9512 is also divisible by 8. Divisibility rule by 9. If the sum of all the digits in a number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. We will verify this divisibility rule of 9 for this number to this number. Now first we'll add 1, 3, 1, 7, 3, 4 and 9. We'll add these digits of the number, this one. Now 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 7 is 11, 11 plus 3 is 14, 14 plus 4 is 18, 18 plus 9 is 27. Now we'll see whether 27 is divisible by 9 or not. 0. 9 3s are 27. So if the sum of the digits of this number is divisible by 9, then the whole number 31734 is also divisible by 9. Now we will verify whether this number is really divisible by 9 or not. Now we will divide this number by 9. 0 will take 9 3s are 27. 0, take it down. 9 5s are 45. 2, next digit down, it becomes 23. 9 2s are 18. Now 13 minus 8 is 5. 0, take this 4 down. 54. 9 6 are 54. Now it becomes 0. Now take this one down. Instead of here, I will write here, and 9 1s are 9. Subtract, we will get at last 0. So the number 317349 is really divisible by 9. Instead of